What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel. If you saw my last video, I recently picked up a 2018 Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory. This is the bike right here that we're going to be using for our next custom build series. Today we're going to be weighing this bike, getting a stock weight of the bike so that we can compare that to how it is once we put all the beautiful parts on that we're going to get from Manny at Motor Million. We're also going to be talking a little bit about the build, what I have in mind, and that's going to be the video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. All right, so we got our trusty intercom scales all laid out here, and we got them turned on and zeroed out so you can see that there's nothing on it. And if I put my foot on it, you can watch it go up. 8 pounds, 26 pounds, 54 pounds, there you go. I actually just stopped and put a full tank of gas in this, so it should be completely full. And we're gonna find out what the stock weight of this bike is. I actually don't know. I'm gonna guess maybe like 450. Teens, what do you wanna guess?
Guessing 450, I'm gonna say 442.
442. Okay, yeah, I have no idea. We're gonna get it up on the scales and then I'll check in with you guys in a second. All right, so after I threw my back out, we got it up on the scales. And the way that I do it is I just push it onto the first one and then put it onto the kickstand, and then I actually lift up the rear tire and Teen slides it on under. We really need to get some scales before I blow my back out.
Oh, that worked out.
Okay. Stock wet weight of the Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory 2018. What is it, Teens?
You were wrong.
I was wrong. Is it heavier?
Did you say 450?
450.
No, it's more.
Wow.
468.
468?
9.
Oh my God.
69.
We're gonna round up to 470, okay? We're just gonna say.
No, we're gonna 468.
Okay.
Exact number.
69 is easier to remember.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
All right, 469.
469 pounds for the all-stock 2018 Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory. That's actually pretty damn heavy. Guys, here's what's crazy. If you watched our Ex Diavolo build, that ended up at 485. That's only 15 pounds heavier than this, dude. That's pretty damn impressive. So I'm gonna try and strip at least 30 pounds off this bike, which would put it, what was it, 469? Minus 30, 439. I think around 430 would be a good weight for this Aprilia. So that's where it sits, the stock weight of the bike. That will be our baseline figure that we'll try and improve upon. Okay, so that's a good question, Christina. Do you want to hold this and I'll talk to him? Sure. What are we gonna do with this bike? What are my build plans? Well, first off, everything right now is still in the production phase. I'm still planning everything out. I'm still working with Manny, and I'm going to be talking with the patrons. So if you're interested in getting feedback into all this, instead of just commenting when we're down the line and making fun of whatever choices I've made, sign up and become a patron and give me your input. Or you can share input in the comment section below as well. But here's what my thoughts are. First of all, if it was my bike, I would make it full matte carbon. If it was my bike, okay? And I would leave the aluminum. This is just a sticker, so I would actually just take all of this off and I would leave it like that brushed aluminum look for there and the swing arm, and I'd have the rest just be matte carbon. I think that would be awesome. But I know you guys don't want to see carbon builds anymore, but it's the lightest, strongest material in the world, so I'm still going to use some carbon to save weight. But I actually commissioned a designer, a graphic designer, and he's working on developing a paint scheme for the bike. So what I'm thinking is we do a custom paint scheme. I think right now the colors I told him was white, mainly white and red with some green, so like Italian paint scheme, but I want it to be simple and clean and clear. This is ridiculous to me that they sell the bike like this. Like, to me, it looks ridiculous. What do you think, Teens?
Not a fan.
Yeah, it looks awful.
It almost reminds me of like a racer bike with all the stickers.
Yeah,
I like simplicity.
It's a factory model, which is the race model, so that's why it's.
But when I look at it, it gives me stress.
It's too much.
There's too much going on.
The thing is like, these are stickers, like a lot of this, like sticker, this is a sticker, all of these back here, they're all stickers. Yeah. So like, that's not high quality to me. So
with a lot of warning signs all over the bike.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. These are all stickers too. Yeah, it's absurd. So
and here.
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna paint the bike some sort of custom paint scheme. Okay. All the accent pieces are gonna be carbon. So this is going to be carbon. The front and rear fenders will be carbon. We'll do carbon wheels. I think we'll do maybe like a gloss carbon wheel or matte carbon, depending on paint scheme. I'm not sure if I want to do gloss paint or matte, like a flat paint, we'll see. And then obviously we're going to do a full titanium exhaust system. Krapovich makes one for this, which is really, really good, and Manny has the up map for it as well. So I'm thinking we'll do the full titanium exhaust system. You know, we'll replace things like the rear sets, all the grips and levers, getting rid of these mirrors. We'll do bar end mirrors. And then I want to do some like really high-end boutique parts. So Manny actually has custom, or not custom, but new rotors that are like really high quality that we'll use for the back brake and then the front brake as well. So we'll do like really beautiful boutique high quality rotors, and then we'll do all titanium bolts in here. And then we're gonna do the upgraded Brembo calipers that are nickel plated. They're like $1,500 for the set, and they're freaking stunningly gorgeous. So we're gonna do those as well. Obviously, we might even do a new radiator. There's one that Rory was telling me about that's basically lighter, cools the motor better, and it looks like a piece of art. And then we'll obviously do like radiator covers on there as well. But yeah, just do tons of high-end. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna do the carbon belly panel from the RSV4. It actually fits directly on here, and it covers all of this up, but you still have some naked look in here. So then obviously we'll do crash protection and all that kind of stuff. We'll do flush mount turn signals. We'll do the tail tidy and all that. And I might actually do a full carbon tail section. I think they make a full carbon section for this, which includes the gas tank, and then all the way the tail section and everything. It's all like one giant carbon piece, which would probably save like 20 pounds. So I'm gonna look into getting that. I'm gonna talk to Manny about that as well. Obviously we'll get rid of this stuff. We're gonna keep the Öhlins suspension because that's amazing. And yeah, so there's a lot we can do to this, but my goal is to make it one of the lightest and fastest Tuonos in the world and make it look incredible. So right now I think it looks a little bit ridiculous, so that's my game plan. If you guys have ideas for color schemes for painting this bike, shoot me an email or send me an Instagram message. And my email is always, all of my stuff's in the description below. And then if you want to get input into what we actually do and how we do it, join Patreon, and that's the best way to do it, because those are the ones I listen to, because after we're done, we give it away to one of those guys who supported the project. So that's it, guys. Welcome to the Custom Tuono series. I'm really, really excited. If you didn't see the last episode where I purchased the bike, I did say it's an incredible bike. I can't believe how fun the bike is. Everyone who said do a naked bike, you were absolutely right. I'm glad that I listened to you, because I'm excited. It's something totally new. It's not a Ducati. We're not doing full carbon, you know. It's not a sport bike, so I'm really, really excited. So again, if you guys want to get involved, head on over to Patreon. If you like what we're doing here, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.